Once again students, welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today we are going to see the preparation of esters. Now students, to prepare the esters, now we are using 4 raw material. That is we also call as substrate. The first raw material students is carboxylic acid. You are knowing carboxylic acid students, CS3 formula you are knowing students. This is the carboxylic acid formula, CS3COOH. The carboxylic acid, the name of this compound is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. This acid students when react with alcohol formula students C2H5OH. This is alcohol, we call as ethyl alcohol students. This ethyl alcohol when react with carboxylic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and your heating is required. After heating students, what happens? There is a formation of ester. That is why this reaction is also called as esterification. Esterification will take place. Now students, what happens here in carboxylic acid alcohol? The hydroxyl of alcohol react with the hydrogen of this carboxylic acid. Hydroxyl of the alcohol react with the hydrogen of the carboxylic acid, and it will gives you water. This way students, they will form the ester. That is CS3 place will be as it is, COOO. Now the alcohol group is remaining, that will combines C2H5. So this is the ester students. The name of this ester is ethyl. We are naming from here. This is acetate group, and here it is ethyl. So we called as ethyl. The name of compound students, ester is there, but IUPAC name and common name. First I am writing common name, that is ethyl. We will name ethyl first, then this whole group is called as acetate. We call as what? Acetate. Or you can say in IUPAC name we call as ethyl. We call as ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. This ester is very famous ester students, very famous ester. So with the help of the carboxylic acid and alcohol we have prepared what? Ester, that is ethyl acetate we have prepared. Now students, second raw material we have. Okay students, second preparation students, raw material here we are using acetyl chloride, CS3COCl. This is acetyl chloride. Now is going to be react with ethyl alcohol, C2H5 and OH in presence of pyridine. In presence of pyridine students, this acetyl chloride and ethyl alcohol react. We have to heat the solution. These two reactions, acetyl chloride and ethyl alcohol react. Now what happens students in this acetyl chloride and ethyl alcohol? The hydrogen of the ethyl alcohol combines with the chloride of acetyl chloride and form a byproduct, that is HCl. And students, what happens? The CS3 will be as it is, CS3 COO, and this is the C2H5. This is the material you are getting students, that is called as ethyl acetate. Again there is a formation of ethyl acetate. This is also called as ethyl ethanoate. So this is the second way we have prepared the ester. This is ethyl acetate, is the very simple ester students. We have taken the raw material acetyl chloride combines with ethyl alcohol in presence of pyridine. You have to heat the solution, these two solutions, and you will get ethyl acetate and HCl as a byproduct. Now these are the second preparation we have got students. Now third preparation of ester students. For that we are using the raw material. Third raw material students we call as acid anhydride. Students, here the oxygen which has 2 valency. These 2 valency is occupied by acetate group. Acetyl group students we call as, this is acetyl group. Again there is a acetyl group here also. This is the oxygen. Oxygen has 2 valency. When it is occupied by 2 acetyl group we call as acid anhydride. This is acid anhydride. Because there is a removal of water molecule from the acid, we call as acid anhydride. When react with alcohol, again students, alcohol is required, C2H5OH. This is alcohol students. This is alcohol we have taken, that is ethyl alcohol. Now what happens students? Again you have to heat these two solutions. When you heat students, what happens? When you heat these two solutions, there is a formation of acetic acid, CS3COOH. Acetic acid will formed. Now when acetic acid will form, there is a formation of ester also, CS3 COOC2H5. Again we are getting ethyl acetate. This is the simplest ether we have prepared, students, ethyl acetate. So with the help of the acid anhydride and alcohol, we have to heat these two solutions. We are getting ethyl acetate and acetic acid. This is the third preparation, students. Third raw material is acetic anhydride. Now fourth, students, raw material we are going to take, that is silver carboxylate. Silver carboxylate, CS3 COO, and this is silver positive, this is negative. This is a salt, students, silver carboxylate. We call it as what? Silver carboxylate. This silver carboxylate, students, react with ethyl iodide, that is alkyl halide. That we are taking alkyl halide, ethyl iodide. What happens, students, when you heat these two solutions? When you heat, what happens? This iodine of ethyl iodide react with the silver of the silver carboxylate and form silver iodide. You are getting as a silver iodide, AgI. And again there is a formation of ester, that is ethyl acetate. You will get here, students, CS3 COO and C2H5. This is called as what? This is acetate group, students, and this is ethyl. The name of the compound will be what? Ethyl acetate. So students, so here we have see from the four raw material we have taken, we have prepared the ester, ethyl acetate, which is the simplest ester we have prepared. Students, if you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.